Either you wanna get lost with your music or you wanna connect to the environment, meron na tayong option. Only using one earbuds. Isa rin pala sa pinagmamalakan itong Sonic One, guys, is meron na siyang 4 microphone. So, 2 in each earbud. Plus, meron na rin itong environmental noise cancellation or yung ENC na tinatawag. Nice. So, currently, guys, we are testing it out with this non-copyright music. Make sure i-up natin yung volume niya. Wow! So, guys, using it with the full in-ear capabilities, sobrang ramdam mo yung mid-tone and also yung low tone. Plus, you barely hear the surrounding. Right now, testing naman natin siya half in-ear. So, let's just remove this one and also here. So, tignan natin yung difference. Let's go. Okay? So, yeah, with the half in-ear, syempre, definitely, you can still hear the surroundings and medyo kulang na yung mid-tone and low tone. But still, you hear your music. I mean, that's really the purpose of having half in-ear earphone. So, yeah, with the Sonic One, achievable na parehas yan, guys. So, guys, if you want the world's first free switch design, well, check nyo na yung yellow basket natin down below. So, MB, like and follow for more. Let's go.